Hi, I'm Dana. I have gardened for most of my life, but I can say that I've truly never grown food. I can't take any of the credit for the fruits and vegetables that I've harvested. That's because plants, they grow themselves. They grow and produce through a complex community of living organisms that work with the air, with sunlight, with water, with carbon, and with nutrients. Our only job as gardeners is to create the right conditions for plants to produce food. That is the very definition of cultivation. And that's what these lessons are about. We're going to learn the best techniques, the best methods for creating an environment for thriving plants in bountiful gardens. I'll teach you how to assess your grow space and plan your garden. We'll talk about soil fertility, companion planting, growing vertically, growing with the seasons, and so much more. So whether you're new to gardening or you've been gardening for a while, come join us. Let's learn together.